Hey guys, so today I'm going to show my playroom room tour. So by the way, here's the door. You guys can really see. And we're going to enter in. And I'm going to show you guys my room tour. So once you come in, you see all these aprons and stuff. And like outfits. Okay. So now they have like all these aprons and outfits. And then like the camera shows something in it. Anyways. Next to my door, like hangers and stuff, are my games. I have like hopscotch, Yakult, headband, fantastic spinner for art, and then over here we have Farm Go, preschool game, Brain Quest, all these fun games. And then up top we have 2 glow pads, read all about me, action plates, I Spy memory game. It's really cool. And we have Squints for kids, and then puzzles, and then Legos and Play-Doh and all this stuff. And then this is my brother's empty space. He doesn't keep any toys here. He doesn't keep any toys here because he likes to play his albums. So he already finished his album, and I think you guys should go check his and make sure to subscribe. And then make sure to subscribe to his channel, Sylvia Bejo. So, anyways, over here we have my brother's cars, my brother's Legos, and then over here we have like more stuff. And then over here we have my stationery. Oh, by the way, the doorbell might ring because I have guitar class and I might have to end this early and then do it like a part 2. But here's my stationery stuff. And here is this popcorn stand. Here's a Hello Kitty refrigerator. And here's this little Whoopsie, like 2 little characters, little Whootsies. And then, let me show you this. Yeah. So if you can't see it, there's a popcorn stand. So what I just told you guys is we have like a refrigerator with like Hello Kitty refrigerator, a popcorn stand, 2 little like Whoopsies, and a little Calico Critter salon that you can actually open the door and close it. Over here is my Shopkins house. And over here is my Calico Critter house. And then over here down here is my stationery. I think I already showed it. Over here is the back of the Grand Hotel. Hold on. And then as you guys can see, there's an elevator, like little door. And then over here, like the door of the Grand Hotel says 101, the doorbell, and the door is so detailed. And over here is that like elevator that has like a right next to it, and then like a seat of the elevator. Over here, we have like a shopping cart. And we have like the guest directory, so there's like a frame over here, and then here's the directory, and then on the back you could either put like a frame, but I think I'm gonna put the directory, and then 2 little lamps and a hotel concierge, but concierge desk, but you'll see something really cool like over there. So here's like the stand view of like the night, and just change it in the night. And then we're gonna go in my scene. So I'm gonna show you the first part of the Grand Hotel. So here, I'm showing you the first part of the Grand Hotel. So let's get to it. Oop. Hold on. Itchy. All right, so I'm gonna show you all the bathroom pieces. So over here we have this welcome and then do not disturb sign. And a shampoo. Let me show you that too. Oh, but it's tiny. There we go. Shampoo. It's a little bit blurry because it's tiny. Body wash. Don't we? It's like a blue bottle. Lotion. Sorry, some of them are a little bit blurry. And then here we have like a toothbrush. And here I'll show you the toothpaste. Here I'll show you the glass of water with like ice. Here's the soap. Here is this like towels, roll-up towels. Here is this like little bag. Here's these complimentary toiletries. And it comes with like hair gloss. And then soap containers, strawberry shampoo, strawberry conditioner, passport, perfume, and then yeah. And then it obviously has like a mirror. And then now we're moving on to the nightstand. So in the nightstand there's like this little lamp that you can actually turn on and off. And you can actually twist it. And then over here we have like a flower jug, and then you can actually take it out and put it back in. Over here there's an American Girl foam. You can actually call it like this and press the buttons. Sorry guys, my camera is really bad today, so here's my like paper, it's so blurry, and my little like pen. And then over here is the bottled water. Over here is my space lock and space stuff. Over here we have pillows because it's a bed, and then over here we have a scene. And there's like the beachy scene and the city scene. I'm gonna put mine on the beachy scene. And then, oh, and just so you know, like the toothpaste and toothbrush do not come with the Grand Hotel set. I just added it from the bathroom. And here we have like the bed, and then I'll show you like the pillows. So there's this pillow, like 2 of them. And this one that I showed you, I think. And then this one. And then here we have Victoria the doll. My American Girl doll that just goes on there. I just put her there because she's a Truly Me, and it's like a Truly Me Grand Hotel. And then here's a blanket, a mattress, and a like little thing. And over here is like a thing to put the American Girl's feet. I'm moving on. Sorry. Alright, so over here we have her suitcase. So it says like a little tag. And then you can actually like do this and you're gonna open it. Over here. What? I need to say bye to you guys, so bye.